Glaucoma Perspective From Back to Future. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Glaucoma diagnosis represents a dilemma that cannot be addressed by relying on a single diagnostic tool or evaluation of a solitary marker. Conventional, subjective methods including nerve fiber layer photography and visual field analysis were associated with inconsistency in diagnosis. The advent of optical coherence tomography (OCT) enabled objective evaluation of numerous relevant structures including peripapillary retinal nerve fiber layer (RNFL), neural rim area, optic disc margin, and ganglion cell complex. The newly introduced October angiography enabled detection and evaluation of perfusion, blood flow, and vessel density at different vascular beds. The recent application of artificial intelligence (AI) and genome-wide association studies (GWAS) made it possible to optimize glaucoma care at an earlier stage with deeper insight. Glaucoma is a serious eye condition that can lead to blindness if not diagnosed and treated early. However, identifying glaucoma can be very challenging, even for experienced eye doctors. This is because the early stages of the disease are hard to detect, and traditional tests often rely on subjective judgment and patient cooperation. In recent years, technology has greatly improved how we diagnose glaucoma. One key tool is optical coherence tomography (OCT), which provides detailed images of the eye's structures. OCT can detect damage to the nerve fiber layer around the optic nerve before vision loss occurs, making it a powerful tool for early detection and tracking the disease. Another important OCT technique focuses on the macula, the central part of the retina, by measuring changes in the ganglion cell complex, layers of the retina directly affected by glaucoma. OCT also helps us better understand the shape and structure of the optic disc and the deeper layers of the eye, such as the lamina cribrosa, which can show early signs of damage. Additionally, a new version of OCT called OCT angiography (OCTA) can visualize and measure blood flow in the eye, which is important because reduced blood supply may contribute to glaucoma progression. Artificial intelligence (AI) is also being used to analyze eye scans and predict glaucoma more accurately. These tools can assist doctors in making quicker and more consistent diagnoses. Moreover, advances in genetic research are revealing inherited risk factors for glaucoma. While gene therapy is not yet available, it shows promise for future treatment. Altogether, modern imaging, AI, and genetic studies are revolutionizing how we detect and manage glaucoma, making it possible to identify the disease earlier and personalize treatment plans more effectively. In conclusion, glaucoma diagnosis can be and only diagnosed by comprehensive evaluation of structural, functional, and vascular aspects of the optic nerve and retina. Global studying of genetic background of the disease can modulate our understanding of the manageable risk factors. The recent implication of AI novel technology in data interpretation will increase the precision of decision making. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.